Hey guys, I am Kyle, and in today's video I am going to show you how does TikTok Shop work for creators and sellers. Alright, so now here we are in the TikTok Shop website, and it is shop.tiktok.com, and all you have to do is scroll all the way down until you see TikTok Shop for you, and you can see it right here. I am a seller or creator, and from here you can understand what being a seller or creator means. So if you're a seller, you would be able to purchase and convert and campaigns and promotions and so on right here. And if you'd like to learn more about that, then you can click on the learn more button. And same goes for the creator, so you can also learn more about it right here and understand what being a creator means and what you need to do. Alright, so now once you're done with that, then you need to go into seller.tiktok.com, especially if you want to become a seller, because this is an absolute must in order for you to link your TikTok account to a TikTok Shop seller account. So what we want to do first is go select a region that you want to sell in. So in my case, I'll just go for Asia, and I'm going to go for Philippines. But of course, you need to select one that is right for you. And then from here, if you have an account already, you can just log in, or if not, then you can just sign up right here, and you would need to provide your mobile phone number and your password. And after that, TikTok is also going to ask for some IDs and so on, because there is a policy in TikTok that only one account is allowed per identity right here. So yeah, you would need to verify your identity in order for you to use TikTok Shop Seller Center. And once you're done with that one, it should be something like this. As you can see, I'm now logged in. And now from here, what you want to do first is to link your TikTok account into your TikTok Shop Seller account. So you want to go here in My Account right here on the left side and go into Link TikTok Account. And from here, you want to click on Link Official Account. Alright, so now here we are in our TikTok in our phone. So what we want to do from here is scan the QR code that was generated in order for us to link our official TikTok account to our seller account. So what we want to do is go into our profile right here on our phone. And from here, tap on the three horizontal bars on the top right of your screen. And then you want to scroll, or you just tap on the My QR code right there. So tap on that. And then from here, you want to tap on the scan QR code on the top right of your screen. And then from here, all you have to do now is simply just scan the code that was generated. And just like that. And now from here, we can now authorize the linking of our TikTok Shop and to our TikTok account. So let's go and authorize that. And now it has been linked just like so, just like this one right here. And I'm going to go and agree with this one and link this account. And just like that, you have successfully linked your TikTok account. And from here, you can now post videos with a yellow basket on it, and also live videos with yellow basket, so that you can become an affiliate. And when someone buys your product on your videos on the yellow basket, then you would be able to earn some commissions and earn some money. So yeah, this is basically how TikTok Shop works for creators and sellers, because as you can see here in the creator, you would be able to select and add your products into your in-feed videos and live videos to start selling and track performance. So this is what I mean by being becoming an affiliate and so on. And here in the seller, you can, if you have your own products, you would be able to do it right here in the seller, the TikTok Shop right here. So yeah, this is where you set up your shop. So that is basically it for this video. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching.